Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a frozen iPhone screen. The first step is often a simple force restart, which can resolve many common issues. This method is quick and doesn't erase any data on your device. Make sure your iPhone has some battery life or connect it to a charger before you begin. This ensures it won't power off unexpectedly during the process. To perform a force restart, simultaneously press and hold both the home button and the power button on your iPhone. Keep holding them down for approximately 10 seconds. You'll know it's working when the screen goes black and then the Apple logo appears. Once you see the logo, you can release both buttons and your iPhone should boot up normally. If your screen freezes again after a restart, there are a few more things to check. First, ensure your iPhone software is up to date by looking in your settings. Also, if your device is very full, try freeing up some storage space, as this can sometimes cause performance issues. If problems persist, restoring from a recent backup might help. If your iPhone screen continues to freeze despite trying these steps, it might indicate a more significant hardware problem. In such cases, it's best to seek professional assistance. You can contact Apple support directly for guidance or visit an authorized service provider. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and repair more complex issues effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.